Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Sharina, and 1 year, happy anniversary, a little bit more than a year and 4 weeks,
A year and 5 days.
5 days. And, thank you so much for sharing with the world your experience. You look absolutely amazing. Your edges are back. Tell us about your experience. Show off your edges as much as you'd like, and I'll let you go from there.
Hey. My experience was great from start to finish. The initial consultation, it was really easy to get an appointment to speak with you. We talked over FaceTime first because I traveled from California to Florida to have this procedure done. I was referred by my little sister. She had hers done a year before me. Her results were amazing. She talked about the process, how friendly everyone was, how easy it was. So that really inspired me to get it done. I had traction alopecia from years of wearing braids and tight hairstyles, so my edges were completely gone. It was something that I was really insecure about, so I was like, you know what, let me, take a leap and do something that I've always wanted to do for a long time. I wish I would have done it sooner. But I'm so happy that I did it. I'm more confident. I don't worry about the wind blowing back and my edges, showing. I can wear my hair up into a ponytail. I really focus on the hairstyles that I select for myself. I don't want anything that's causing too much tension or too tight. Um, and I really take care of my investment. I look at it as an investment. Um, from the staff down to the conversation during the procedure. We listened to music. We talked about what's going on social media, the latest celebrity drama. It was definitely a family feel, and I am so happy with my results. I don't have any complaints at all whatsoever, and I encourage anyone who has thinning hair or an insecurity about their edges to go for it.
Your stitches or the suture line in the back. Does any
I have no idea where it is. I don't have any tenderness or anything like that. Um, the hair is still growing back from the incision area, so I know where it is, but I can't find the actual incision. Um, I no complaints in that area at all.
I usually say the hairstylist say it the best way. What does your hairstylist say about your experience or this time period?
For the most part, it's more so amazement. Like, wow, last time you came, we had to be creative in covering up these areas. Now it's like, wait, you had a procedure. This type of procedure exists. So I think it's more so like in amazement. They want more information. They want to know how long it was. It's only been a year, and it looks like nothing was done. It looks very natural. So I think they're more so curious and wanting to promote things like this for other clients that they may have.
And that's true. That's exactly a lot of word of mouth. So
Mhm.
let me have you put your chin down. Let's people just look at that center part. Incredible. And again, you chose the hairline. You chose exact. I mean, I added the little curves here and there. I made sure that it was staggered a little bit so that way it was not just a straight line. I didn't want to square anything off, nor did I just want that rounded hairline up. We make sure that we put waves in there, and that way, when you do pull it back, it's that natural appearance. And I'm gonna put the before and afters next to each other. That way, people can also see in addition while we're talking befores and afters. But you sent me the after pictures. I was amazed. I was so happy when I asked if you would want to do a video and share your story with the world. Um, like you said, you waited too long, and that's a common thing.
Yeah.
Um, but you don't have to wait anymore. Anybody who's out there, you don't have to wait.
Mhm.
Give me a call. It's a free consultation. I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants with Sharina, and anything else you want to share with everybody.
I would say if anyone is struggling or going back and forth about whether or not to do it, just do it. You will not regret it. It's definitely something that will make you feel better about yourself. And I highly encourage anyone who is kind of going back and forth with their decision to just go for it. Take a leap and do it.
Well, I thank you so much for trusting myself and Natural Transplants. Uh, and you know that I'm always going to be your hair doctor. So if you ever have any questions in 10 years from now, call me, text me, say, Dr. Siegel, I got a question about my hair. What should I do? I will always be your doctor.
I will. Thank you. Thank you so much, Dr. Siegel. You don't know how much you've changed my life just by giving me edges. So I appreciate you. You have a special place in my heart just for everything that you've done for me and my hair.
Well, happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.